Hello, my beautiful and amazing people. Yes, your baby girl is back with an amazing and mind-blowing topic today. So today, our topic is on the word inner room. Take note on the word inner room. Inner room here. What do I mean by the inner room? This inner room has to do with both the man and the woman. I know we all understand what the inner room means, right? Some of us definitely know what the inner room means. So we'll talk about how well do you satisfy your man, or how well do you satisfy your woman, be it in a relationship or be it in marriage. Now let's take some seconds and reflect back and think back. How well do you get to satisfy your man? How well do you do? How well do you do in the inner room? In that inner room, how well do you do? Are you good at it? Are you not good at it? Would like to know in the comment section. Definitely, some women don't talk about this a lot. Yes, we don't really talk about it. So many of us are living in silence. Yes. After all, what are we here for? It's not to make the kids, take care of the home, and forget about the inner room. Today we're going to talk about this inner room. So let's get right into today's video. So as a man, are you a man that will just meet your lady and say, babe, open up, may we enter, let's enter that place? Or are you this man that makes sure to caress your woman, touch her in places that she will at least get to enjoy before the main deal starts? The same thing applies to the woman. Are you that same woman that we don't do anything, we just want to just dive into it? Or are you the lady that will make sure that you touch your man in some specific places that bring him on to do the thing better? Now let's talk about how some men will have to do this thing and come down without even knowing if the lady is satisfied. That's to say, a man, once they get to their peak, they ejaculate, and once they ejaculate, that drive for going back again will no longer be there. As in ladies, we get to our peak as well. Yes, and our peak has to do with the orgasm. Yes, we get to our orgasm, and to get to that's our satisfaction, we have to get to our orgasm as a woman, while as the man is ejaculation. So there are most women that don't get to their orgasms. Let's just think about it. Let's think about it. Let's look at it. Let's reflect well. There are some women that don't get to their orgasms. Most men get to their mood of ejaculation faster than the women. There are most men that they do bararam, they've gotten there, and that's it. That's it for the man. Most of them don't care if the woman has gotten to orgasm or not. That doesn't concern them. They have gotten what they want, and now they are down. It's none of their business. But the woman now will left to suffer. It's so bad that one party gets to enjoy while the other party doesn't get it. That is where foreplay comes in. Before you say you want to start to do that thing, before you want to do that thing, you want to satisfy your urge or whatsoever, start with the foreplay. There are women that like this, make sure you touch me in certain area that will make me get to my peak. Likewise with men. Yes, you as a woman, if you're not good at romance, learn it. Go and make your research, go and make your findings. Likewise with the man, if you're not good at it, learn it. If your other partner is good at it and knows how to do it, you let her teach you, or you let him teach you. If there are some areas that you as a woman, you love your man to touch and touch, why not let him know? There are women that will not let their husband know that, oh boy, I want me you do like this, do like this, I want you to do it this way or do it that way. They won't talk. And I still know that there are some still women that will still let their man know that, babe, I like it this way, I like it that way, so that I can get to my peak. Some men no go take a move. They will not do it. They will not do it. Then where is the love? The love is not there. In the inner room, I believe you should understand yourselves better. Before you get to do that, you should let her know that this is what you like when it comes to this. Let him know that this is what you also like when it comes to this as well, so that you both will be satisfied when it comes to the time of coming down. It's so nice and very good and so like heavenly when the both get what they want. What do you think about it? Reflect. Let's calm down. Take a chill pill and reflect. Imagine you get to your peak and he gets to his peak. Omo, now one way army now. But when it's just one person that gets to his peak and the other lady doesn't get, tomorrow, even if you're on a drive for it, the lady will feel, after all, if he comes down now, me nothing, I'll be left out. There's no, that drive to do it the second time will not be there. That is why it has to be balanced. It's supposed to be 1/1. I get, you get. We're all right, right? Yes. So let's look into these guys. Many of us are living in silence. There are some cases I see that some women get that, what they call it, the TX, the TOYXEX. They have it. That's to say, once the man don't come down, if they have not gotten to the peak they want, they will use it to get it. And it's not good. That's not nice. Imagine using that thing to get to your peak as a woman. That means to say you're not enjoying the sex at all. You're just maybe, let me just fulfill my obligations. That's not even good. That's not even nice. So, men, let's up our game. Likewise, women, not only the men, women, let's up our game. If you know there's a thing that your man loves you doing before the main thing, before the main course, let's do it. Likewise to the man, if you know that your lady loves it this way and that way before she gets to her peak, give it to her so that you both will enjoy it. Are you that man that will be like, babe, oh yeah, open me, we enter? I beg, if you're that man and you're watching this video right now, stop it from today. Go and learn, because this can lead to a woman going outside and go and getting it, or a man going outside to go and get it, to go and satisfy his or her own pleasure. And that's not good, because that will lead to a woman or a man cheating on their fellow spouse. It's not good at all. And if you watch this, a lot of us know they talk. Many women are just so silent. What would they do now? Maybe they manage and like that. Omo, we are in a new era. There is nothing like managing. Don't manage anything, and you're dying in silence. Does it make sense? Let's take it back. Let's look at this. Sometimes let us sit down and say, I want to be satisfied as a woman. I want to be satisfied as a man. If you're not enjoying it, omo, there's no need doing it now. There's no need. The urge no go even dey. The drive no go dey. But imagine say the two of them they balanced. People know where you can do it, and you both get satisfied. The drive will be there every day, and they even have a lot of styles. New things they internet they make research. Some women will not want to talk about it. There are some women that will still open up and tell their man, guy, I beg, I like it this way, do it this way before we can be able to do anything. But some men, no, they want it fast waiting. When we never do the main thing, they say fast. How do you even want to enjoy it? Ladies, how do you get to enjoy fast? Or how do you get to enjoy? Imagine you first of all do the prepare the meal first before you chop them. Because before you eat something, you have to make sure you wash your ingredients, ready them finish. When you don't ready them finish, before you go come introduce her into your pot to cook the food. You understand what I mean now, guys? You know now. Ready the thing where we're ready the place. Give her some touchings here and there. make the thing soft before we go enter the other, you know, that place we talk about now. You guys know now, you can relate. But it not be nice. What did we do? Now we not do anything. No. We did not do anything. We did not do anything. I'm not a log of wood that you will carry hammer and be hitting to break. No. We are in the new era. Men will stand up for our right too. Because if our man they calm down, we no calm down. It no make sense. It no make sense. And some of them they are in pains and they talk. What you go do now? Now like that? No, now this era now not be like that again. Not be like that. It good say me two of them enjoy. It's ought to be enjoyed and not to be endured. That thing is ought to be enjoyed. Like you know it enjoy them. Like so, one guy will say that is the sweetest thing God has ever created on earth. So you know, make we dey enjoy ourselves. You know, you enjoy, I enjoy. One. Nobody is hot. But imagine only one person enjoy, that person no go enjoy. What's the need of it now? No need now. Then tomorrow you go expect me, I will just come for waiting. If we not do the main thing, if we not cook the, if we not prepare the ingredients first, more guy, we know they go there. Simple. You guys do agile the thing now. See guys, what do you think about this topic of mine? Please, ladies, men, them. Let's look into this thing. If you know that you are in the category of not satisfying your man, I beg, start today while they talk this thing today. Go and make your research. Go back. Go and do him well so that he will not go outside. And likewise to the man. If you are that man that will do, babe, or your pararame will enter. No, now. You have to go and make your research. Please. Please. If you know that thing she likes, do it for her. The woman, if you know what he likes, please do it for him. So that he will not go outside. Or she will not go outside. Please, do it for him. Pico, I dey beg. So guys, this is where we're drawing the curtain for today. I would like to hear your opinion down in the comment section. Let's talk about these things. Let's talk about it. Because today I decided to come raw. I decided to just make it kia sharp. Because these things are important. Comment down in the comment section below. Talk your own talk. For me, I don't talk my own. So make una talk na own. Talk your talk. Now I will dey here. Talk your talk. Say your mind. Are you in the category of women that you need to be satisfied but you don't get it? If you talk am for comment section, may we no hide. Talk am. May we know where we fit help ourselves. Because I know say this video now will really help a lot of persons. So if you're watching me today, I beg, and you're in those category I talked about today, I beg, rethink am. Rethink am. Yes, rethink. Please, rethink. Please. So guys, please help to share this video. Help to like. Please, you're that category of person that will watch the video and will not like. Please now, I'm begging you. Please help like my video. Help share it so that other people too can get and learn from this. Because it's very easy and a very important topic. And majority of us who need to talk about them will just keep mute, will just be silent. It has to stop. We are in the new era. This is 2025. 2024 has gone. This is 2025. It's a new year. Let's do everything new now. Let's start new. So I'll be seeing you all in my next video. Till then guys, remain blessed, stay safe, and what? Bye as usual.